Are you looking for the best compact mini fridge? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best compact mini fridge on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Cooluli 20-liter mini fridge. Convenient and lightweight, the Concord 20 LDX thermoelectric cooler/warmer/wine cooler mini fridge by Cooluli is sleek, compact, and perfectly portable. This compact unit measures 11.25-inch WX 13.75 DX 16.25H and weighs 13 pounds 12 ounces. The inner dimensions are 8.8-inch LX 9 DX 13.6H. Fresh food capacity, 20 liters, cooling method thermoelectric. Customized temperature control, adjust and set your desired temperature with the simple touch of a button with the digital thermostat on the easy-to-read display. Ultra versatile and functional, use this cooler/warmer mini refrigerator as a beer and wine cooler, and to store food, snacks, drinks, breast milk, insulin, beauty and skincare products, and medications. Stylish design, sleek, glass front mini fridge is ideal to use at home, in the nursery, office and dorm room, and on road trips, vacation, and tailgate parties. Advanced dual-core cooling and warranty, innovative semiconductor operation is energy efficient, ultra-quiet and 100% eco-friendly. The Concord is built to North American electrical standards. Please refer to the user manual before use. A 1-year limited warranty is provided. Number 2. EUHOMY 1.7 Cu.Ft mini fridge. This mini fridge has a compact shape, 18.9-inch DX 17.32 WX 19.29H, whether it's placed on a countertop or under a desk, it fits perfectly. We also designed this mini fridge for bedroom with left and right door opening, just simply remove and install it, good for apartments, dormitories, offices, and bedrooms. Freezer and soft freeze, this mini fridge with freezer is equipped with a freezer section, 1.5 Cu.Ft, and a soft freeze compartment, 0.2 Cu.Ft, which can be used to keep vegetables and fruits fresh, as well as for short-term storage of frozen foods such as ice cream. The small fridge is also equipped with a removable wire shelf that can be removed to expand the interior storage space when necessary. Temperature control and insulation, this mini fridge for office has a stable temperature control system. It is built in a 5-speed adjustable temperature control knob, 26 degrees Fahrenheit - 43 degrees Fahrenheit. The wide temperature range is enough to meet most of the daily needs. High-density foam layer embedded in the dorm fridge body effectively insulates the heat and facilitates long-lasting heat preservation. Energy saving and quiet, the mini refrigerator features a highly efficient and low-consumption compressor that uses only 0.55 kilowatt-hours per day, ensuring optimal cooling with minimal energy consumption. The compact fridge operates smoothly and quietly, with a noise level of less than 38 dB, making it suitable for use in any location. Number 3. Frigidaire 1.6 Cu.Ft compact mini fridge. Our compact refrigerator comes in a variety of colorful, bold, and glossy colors. That complements your design and improves the appearance of your kitchen, dorm, room, or workplace, wherever you choose to put it. Cooling method, compressor. Reversible doors, it is small enough to fit in any dorm, kitchen, room, or workplace. Using the reversible door, you can easily set the little fridge door to open to the left or right, depending on your needs and room layout. Adjustable thermostat control, the thermostat may be easily controlled with the control dial. From mild to coldest. Even in hot weather, simply turn the knob to the temperature you choose. Energy saving, our mini fridge not only keeps your beverages and food cool and fresh, but it's also really friendly to your wallet. Its highly energy efficient compressor cooling has an annual power consumption of just 5 kilowatt per hour. Number 4. Honeywell compact refrigerator. Separate chiller compartment allows you to keep a few items frozen inside this refrigerator. Temperature control, adjustable thermostat to help keep your food and drinks at the desired temperature. Manual defrost. Reversible door, the door can be configured to open on the right or the left. Adjustable feet, the feet can be adjusted to help level the unit on and surface. Removable shelf, the refrigerator has a single removable steel wire shelf. Number 5. VEVOR 12-volt refrigerator. This portable refrigerator with 40.5L/42.8 quart capacity is large enough to fit 48 cans of 330 ml/11.1 Fluss Cola, 28 bottles of 550 ml/18.6 Fluss drinks, and 15 bottles of 750 ml/25.3 Fluss red wines. Our refrigerator has CE certification and you can store beverages, vegetables, fruits, seafood, meats, skincare products, breast milk with confidence. Smart battery protection. Our car fridge 12V is equipped with 120/240V AC and 12/24V DC adapters, which can be used at home or in the car. The RV refrigerator provides 3 low, medium, and high battery protection functions at different levels. You can choose at what battery voltage to turn off the refrigerator to prevent the battery from being completely drained. Fast cooling. Features in compressor refrigeration technology. This 12V car freezer could achieve fast cooling from -20 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius /-4 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your food fresh all the time. Perfect for travel, picnic, barbecue, camping, and parties. Number 6. Magic Chef Energy Star Mini Refrigerator. Our mini fridge will become a staple in your home or office. With adjustable leveling legs, this fridge is easy to stabilize on uneven surfaces in any small space. Temperature control. This stainless steel finished mini refrigerator has an adjustable thermostat for a reliably cool temperature, so you can set the perfect temperature to fit your needs. Spacious capacity. The all-refrigerator layout with 2 adjustable wire shelves and a reversible door provides easy customization. Plus, it includes ample indoor storage for small or large drinks. Versatile. Our modern little fridge features a space-saving flushback design that can fit in tight spaces. It makes a good addition to any classroom, dorm, office break room, or garage. Magic Chef. For over 90 years, we have been providing affordable and reliable products in the USA. We use our trusted experience to produce and maintain quality products that we stand behind. Number 7. Walsh Compact Refrigerator. Compact and stylish. This space-saving refrigerator, 17.48 ft *19.09 *19.49 W*D*H, stores food, soda, beer, and other beverages with minimal energy and without taking up too much space. The sleek, modern design refrigerator is perfect for college dorm rooms, offices, garages, home bars. A cooling method, compressor, amperage, 0.8 amps. Adjustable mechanical thermostat control. Walsh refrigerator can be controlled manually with the control dial from cool to cold to coldest. You can turn the knob to set the temperature you want. And the temperature range for refrigerator compartment is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 47 degrees Fahrenheit. Chiller compartment is 27 degrees Fahrenheit to 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Reversible doors and leveling front legs. Reversible door that can open from left or right. Reversible door that can be suitable for different kitchen layout. Leveling legs can adjust feet and keep level placement in anywhere. Energy-saving compact refrigerator uses our 600 A high efficiency and low energy consumption compressor. It can cool food quickly with lower energy.